Snagit has really improved our team communication on efficiency. None of us are in the same market with each other. It's all virtual communication. So it's really changed in how we kind of deliver training and messaging to our staff. My name is Iris Johnson. I work for Lightedge Solutions. Lightedge Solutions is a private cloud and colo data center facilities. I think everybody knows the pain points of 800 meetings on their calendar every day. If you are someone that is working hybrid like I am, you need efficiencies in the way that you communicate. You need to be able to deliver a clear message, and Snagit is a great tool for that. Snagit has definitely improved my day-to-day job. I use it a ton for training resources, guides, how-tos. I do a lot of quick snips and grabs to send content to people. Snagit has saved me a ton of hours. The feature that I probably use the most is the screen capture with video recording. So anytime someone sends me a question, I'll just hit record, show them, give them a quick demo. It's 30 seconds to a minute. It ties up that whole conversation that would have probably been 7 or 8 emails back and forth. It would be a huge loss if we no longer had access to Snagit. Implementing Snagit is definitely the right decision for our team. We've had it for a couple years now, and I haven't found anything that compares. Just the ease of it is so hard to beat. It's so simple and so effective. It does exactly what it needs to do.